What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to get 10% off your referral fees on Amazon, which usually are 15%, but will drop down to 5%. Meaning if you have a $50 product, your margin will increase by 5%. And this is for all outside traffic you drive to Amazon. So I'm going to show you exactly how to get in that program to save 10%, as well as show you how to set up Amazon attribution links, which is what you need to be in the program, which it's super easy. So I'll run you through that here today. And these links will be on your Instagram, your TikTok, your YouTube, whatever it is you're sending outside traffic, your email, any external ads, everything like that. These are the links you need. You can actually track this data to understand how that data is performing, right? So if you're doing tons of sales on TikTok versus YouTube, well, before you wouldn't have known because you just used the generic Amazon link. But now we can see, oh, TikTok with this link is performing 100x better than YouTube. So let's put all our time and effort into TikTok because it's performing much better. So let me hop on screen. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So hop onto my screen here, guys. Again, just real quick, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you want to keep up to date on everything Amazon FBA related. Otherwise, let's start with the Amazon attribution program. Okay, so again, this is a link builder we can set up for different external traffic campaigns, which is all done in Amazon Seller Central and the ads platform side of things, which I'm going to show you here. We'll get deeper into that. Next, I'm going to show you the brand referral bonus. Okay, so what this is you'll be able to enroll just like I did here, and you'll be able to go down and see generate referral tags. Again, these are just links, really simple to set up. Then you'll add the tag, the link. I don't know why they're using tags here, to your Instagram, your YouTube, whatever it is. Then you'll receive a bonus, which is 10%. Okay, so we see here just, a little generic here, but what brand owners are saying. So we earned $100,000 back from Amazon in addition to our standard revenue, a perfect way to drive traffic. The conversion rate has been 3 to 4 times better. Honest pause. Again, we'll be able to see data and get a 10% bonus. Okay, so how we set this up again in the Seller Central account. So if you haven't opened this yet, you'll be able to see this once you do open one. So click in the menu over here, we go down. So to get the brand referral bonus, you can literally just set up right here, brand referral bonus, click this. You have to be brand registered to get into this program, guys. So make sure you take care of that. Again, you just need a pending trademark number. I have so many videos on that, how to walk you through how to get your trademark for cheap, how to get through brand registry. Just YouTube search, Cameron James, brand registry, Cameron James, trademark. All those videos will pop up. Watch a few of them. You'll know exactly how to do that. So once we click this, we'll be on this page here. And right here, you'll be able to enroll in the brand. And then after you're enrolled, which it took me 2 seconds to do, I clicked the button, said you're accepted, and then you can hit generate referral tags. Okay. So how do you say you can't get back to that page after you get accepted? So how you can do this is go to advertising on your menu bar and click on measure non-Amazon ads. Okay. So this is a beta program, pretty much live. I don't see why they'll take this down anytime soon. If anything, it's just going to get better and better over time. And next we can hit visit advertising console. So you can see it just looks like a PPC campaign screen. It's pretty much just as easy as that. We'll be using this a lot more for our affiliates, everything like that for some of our larger brands. I personally will start using this for any products I want to launch with our influencers, everything like that. That way I know who's making sales and I can invest more money into that platform, whatever it is, right? Maybe it's TikTok organic and I just want to push more organic content. Well, I'll know it's performing really well, so I should invest more time and money into that, okay? So to set this up, we just hit create campaign. So next we'll be taken to a page where it asks you if you want to create manually or upload in a bulk file. Your first time through, just create manually. If you have a ton of SKUs after that, go ahead and do a bulk file. So next we're gonna put a name in here. So how I like to name it is product name. So put your product name in here so you know exactly what it is. Then your traffic source. So let's put IG here. Now I'm gonna put organic here, right? If there's an influencer, I put influencer with their name there. If it was paid ads, I'd put the paid ad campaign in there. That way I know exactly what it's for. For external ID, I'm guessing this is just when you download manually reports. I'm gonna go ahead and just copy this and put that down here. Again, I don't think it matters too much if you get the name right. If you get the name right, you should be able to sort through that pretty easily. Next, it's going to ask for your products here. So you just add the product you want to add there. Of course, it's blurred out, but this is just like a PPC campaign. So I'm sure you guys will get it pretty quickly. You just literally hit the add button. And I like to do this one product at a time. I don't want to add a ton of products. I just want to keep it clean, just like I would a campaign. I'll probably be messing around with this a little bit more, adding a ton of products. Maybe that works best. I'm not sure yet, but for me, it's always worked best to keep it clean, keep it one product at a time. Next, we have ad group name. So you can have multiple ad groups in one campaign, just like a PPC campaign. Again, I like to keep this clean and just keep it one product per, but we can add new ad groups here in the one campaign. So eventually what I'm going to be doing, if I have one variation that has, 20 different colors, whatever it may be, I'm just going to put one campaign there. If I know it's going to go on Instagram, that way I can generate 20 links at a time. But for this one, again, product name, social media source, and then organic for this. So whatever type it is. Publisher, it's going to ask you about this, and you're going to go down, find Instagram. Okay, you just put whatever you want there. For channel, social is the only option here. Whatever you choose for publisher, we'll give you the different options here. So just know that. And then next is click through URL. So this is just your generic Amazon link. Okay, so go to your product page, copy paste the link. You can even hit that little share button on the item. So to show you what I mean here, we get the slime, liquor, toxic waste. So say we're running external traffic there. What I'm going to do to get that link, so I'm going to go up top here, grab all the way back to the ASIN here, copy this. Now you can copy it all, but I just don't want this gunk back here. This is how Amazon tracks like timestamps and where the traffic came from, everything like that. We don't need this because that's what the attribution link's going to do for us. Okay, so just to keep it clean, I'm just going to copy from the ASIN down. And then I'm going to go ahead and paste that right here. Okay, so we see, ASIN down all the way down here. Next, we're going to hit create. So there it is, guys. Right away, we have the link right here. So attribution tags. So we copy this. Now we're going to put this on our Instagram, right? So for organic traffic that we're pushing, now we can track that data. And then every sale we get a 10% kickback from Amazon for that sale. So that's huge, guys. We can see this link's really long too, so it's pretty gross looking. So if that bugs you, take it to our URL shortener. So Bitly is my favorite here. You can literally log in, make an account for free. You can even probably just do it right here, right? So if I paste this link here, no, I guess you got to sign up and get link here. But again, it's free, guys. So this will actually shorten it to a Bitly link that's, maybe just like 20 characters long to keep things clean there. And to see how these are performing, you just go back to your campaigns list, scroll down, you can see all the data right here, right? So we can adjust these things, go back here, get the links if we need them again, but we can see all the data that comes in right here. And to get back to this page, all you have to do is go to your Amazon advertising or click that button in the link there. But all this is measuring and reporting in your Amazon ads. So if you go to Amazon advertising, messing around with your PPC, just go down here to measurement and reporting. You'll go back to the same page, right? And then we just make new campaigns for new traffic sources, new products, new influencers, whatever it may be. And they'll actually give you your estimate bonus earned from brand referral right up here. All right, guys, so I know that was a little bit of a boring one, but the 10% should get you excited, as well as tracking your external traffic to know what's going on. The more data we have, the better decisions we can make, the more money we can save, the more sales we can drive. That's just part of being a business owner. So if you're sending external traffic or about to send external traffic, make sure you take advantage of this. Set up your links, get in the brand referral bonus program. And if you're already selling and you haven't started TikTok or YouTube Shorts, go try one, okay? It's so important and so vital to figure out an external traffic source. Amazon loves that stuff. They'll rank you higher because they love when you bring outside traffic to Amazon to shop. If you guys enjoyed that, want more, make sure you subscribe. Any questions on it, put them in the comments down below. And for people who are just watching, haven't started yet, I'm gonna put a 51-page ebook down below, or a field manual is what I call it. That'll take you step by step to how to get it started. All right, guys, that's it for this one. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.